Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform gimbal calibration on DJI Pocket 2. And to do this we'll need to scroll down our screen from top just like that and enter the gear icon. Now move to the second page and you should be able to find calibration. If you enter it, it says that we need to place our DJI camera on a leveled surface just like that. Now you can't see the screen, but click on OK on that screen and leave the camera be until the process is completed. It will spin around a few times. It takes about 1 minute. And now the calibration is completed. We can click on OK. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.